Let me ask you a question. What if the key to feeling better, aging better, and living better wasn't a new pill, but a signal? What if the answer wasn't another supplement, but the cellular switch that makes all of your systems work better for your energy, immunity, skin, joints, and focus? Welcome to ASEA. What is ASEA? ASEA is the only company in the world that has mastered and stabilized bioactive redox signaling molecules, a category of cellular messengers your body naturally produces to heal, regenerate, and communicate. These are the original language of the body, and they decline with age, stress, and illness. ASEA Redox brings them back naturally, safely, and with over a decade of scientific research at institutions around the world to back it up. This isn't your average wellness trend. It's a category-creating biotechnology. So why does it matter? Redox molecules activate your genetic pathways, especially the one called NRF2. It is your body's master switch for detox, inflammation response, cellular repair, and glutathione production. And that's the key, because glutathione is your body's master antioxidant. It's like the cleanup crew for oxidative stress and toxins. It helps keep your immune system sharp and your cells protected. But here's the issue. Most people's glutathione levels drop as they age, unless they supplement with something that turns on their body's own production. ASEA does just that. In fact, studies show it increases glutathione by up to 55%, a massive boost from the inside out without IVs or synthetic compounds. People feel it in their energy, their recovery, and their clarity. So why haven't you heard of this? Because ASEA didn't go the traditional route. They're not chasing shelf space, they're building people. This is a research and development company that chose a distribution model called Next Level Marketing, a high-integrity version of network marketing focused on education, community, and global real-world results. In a time where most MLMs push hype, hustle, and hollow products, ASEA built a science-first company with a soul. They've had consistent growth for over a decade, no outside investors, and a debt-free model, and a mission, a global mission to help people feel better and live better. Why now? People are tired of pharmaceuticals and side effects. They're done with gimmicks and influencers peddling powders that don't work. What they want is real solutions for real health issues. They'd like a way to make extra income without a degree or a cubicle. And they want a product they can stand behind proudly that's a category creator. That's ASEA. You can drink it, you can rub it on, and you can build a business with it. You don't have to be a doctor or a marketer. You just need to share a story. And when people experience it, they get it. This is your chance to be early on something that's not just real, it's necessary. ASEA is redefining what's possible in wellness and income. And if you're looking for a legacy product, a purpose-driven company, and a community built on truth and trust, ASEA is it.